Want to learn a technique that's so simple it almost feels like magic? You won't believe how easy and stunning this one is. Come see how it's done. Welcome everyone to BCC Art Studio. I'm Billy, and today I'm going to show you how I made these. It's a pretty simple technique, and I'm going to show you how I did it. It's probably not going to be too much talking in this video. It's pretty straightforward. I will talk you through the first steps, and then I'll probably put some music on for you and enjoy. So I have some black Premo. I have a Skinner blend of some Premo of sky blue, some white, and plum. And then this is a mix of some Premo with some blue, yellow, and green. And then I have all my little cutters. Now I may not use all of these little cutters, but we'll see. So, and if you're interested in knowing how to do a Skinner blend, I may do a video on that in the future, but there are plenty of videos out there on doing Skinner blends. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bigger cutter here and I'm going to just maybe put in a few shapes. I'm not going to press all the way, I'm just going to score the black a little bit. And I don't know if you can see that, but I did score it. And then I'm going to take my little one here, try to get in the center, and just score it a little bit. Just to give me a rough center. All right, and then I'm going to need my X-Acto knife. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to place that there and just cut out my shape. And I'm going to probably use this one there. So I'm going to cut out a few of these. And what I want to do, or what you want to do, is take your piece out. And that one got a little, I'll just put it this way. Place this one in its place. Just tuck it in there like that. And then we will take our next piece. Cut that out. Pull that out of there. And just fit it in there. So I'm going to do that, and I'll put some music on for you and you can follow along.
Was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so. Across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line. I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Something beautiful. And you know, for you I'd bleed myself dry. For you I'd bleed myself dry. All the things that you do. make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that
So I varnished it and it's ready to cut the shapes out. I did not want to blend all these lines, so if you see the lines, that's a good thing. So we're going to cut out our shapes. Let's see.
the way you are, the way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
So here they are. Now we're going to bake these per your manufacturer's instructions. Here they are, all baked. Now it's time for resin, time to sand the sides and then resin cover. Okay, it's time to top coat. I'm only doing 3 because, well, this one, I got it crooked, so it's too bad, but I'll have 4, 2 sets of little earrings and 2 earrings or 1 set of earrings and a pendant. So I'm using Let's Resin High Viscosity, and I'll use that to top coat. going to cure that for 2 minutes. It is time for the reveal. So I took the small hearts and I made stud earrings out of them. And here are the one set of earrings that I made out of the hearts, the big hearts. I really like how they turned out. So beautiful. And then I had to make only one pendant because the other heart didn't turn out. Absolutely stunning. I just think they're so beautiful. All the colors and purples and blues, and then the leaves, or the, yeah, I guess leaves. So beautiful. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Is there another technique that you would like me to do? This technique is super simple to do. You could make anything out of this technique. I appreciate everyone. Thank you for watching, and happy pouring.